Kita niyo. Okay. Habang nagtatahi, may mga bisita ako. Saan kayo, ma'am?
Hello, Union High.
From La Union. Then how may I help you, ma'am? Why are you here?
Tatanong lang po about sa
About what?
business po.
Okay. Then, what's the question, ma'am?
The question is, how much
How much is my obligation?
35?
Okay, the 30 is the 5.
Interview.
Can you please, ma'am, speak louder, ma'am? So that I can understand.
Wow.
I cannot.
You're spoken
I did not bring my hearing aid. That's why, it's at my age, I'm 60 years old now. If I can you speak louder?
Who is or who are the owners of the business po?
Ayan.
He is the owner, but he going home. Why?
Mag-isa lang po niya na owner.
Yeah.
Ano po yung mga hindi po dapat ginagawa sa trabaho po?
In English?
What are your do's and don'ts in the workplace?
Mga hindi dapat. Kailangan pag nagtatahi ako sa butin mo naman. Ang mga hindi dapat gagawin, kailangan ingatan mo yung mga customer mo, ibigay mo yung magandang quality ng produkto, ang sa gayon babalik sila at may promote nila sa iba yung makikilala yung negosyo mo. Nang sa ganun lumago ito. And next question.
Next question. Ano po yung ginagamit nyo para makita nyo po yung lumalabas at pumapasok na pera?
That's a wonderful question. And this is my wonderful answer. That's very easy. Ano para makita yung ano?
Opo. Nire-record nyo po siya. May notebook po.
Of course, I have a notebook. Different notebook. I have a notebook of Bombays. By the way, I'm just joking. Siyempre, kailangan mo talagang i-manage na yung kapital mo, dapat yung papasok na pira, mas malaki doon sa kapital. May tanggal mo ng mga expenses doon at kikita ka rin. Kasi kung hindi lalago, hindi lalaki yung negosyo.
May particular po kayo na kailangan isuot or wala naman po?
Hindi naman, basta formal lang.
Formal.
Siyempre, para presentable naman sa mga customer na dadating. I'm wearing also a simple t-shirt with my simple hairstyle. Ayun lang.
Ilang hours po yung work? Usually.
Depende. Kung maraming ginagawa, abutin kami ng mga alas 5, alas 6. Pag kinakailangan, abutin ng mga alas 7, alas 8. Ganyan.
Ano po yung usual na pinapagawa sa inyo?
That's a wonderful question again. This is my wonderful answer again. Kadalasan? Uniform.
Uniform.
Yeah. Uniform, alteration, any kind of sewing works.
Gumagawa po kayo ng gown po?
Of course.
Yun lang po.
Ha?
Yun lang po yung
More question. Okay, this is my... No more question?